Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nintendo Switch is probably one of the most versatile gaming consoles ever created, seamlessly blending the power of a home console with the portability of a handheld device, allowing you to play your favorite games whether you're lounging on the couch or on the go, making it an ideal choice for gamers of all types who value flexibility and a vast library of exclusive titles. Number 5. Nintendo Switch OLED Model W White Joy-Con. Experience vibrant colors and crisp contrast on the stunning 7-inch OLED screen. It brings your games to life like never before. Enjoy seamless multiplayer gaming, whether you're playing with friends locally, online, or wirelessly. Connect and compete with ease. With 64 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for your favorite games. Keep your adventures readily accessible. Immerse yourself further with enhanced audio in both handheld and tabletop modes. Hear every detail with improved sound quality. The wide, adjustable stand offers the perfect viewing angle for any situation. Play comfortably in tabletop mode wherever you go. What we like. Experience games like never before with its stunning 7-inch OLED screen and enhanced audio. The wide adjustable stand offers great viewing angles in any mode. If you're looking for the most immersive visual and audio experience on a portable Nintendo console, this is the one for you. What people say. The Nintendo Switch is a versatile console that can be played both at home on a TV and on the go as a portable device. The Joy-Con controllers offer flexible gameplay options, allowing for both single-player and multiplayer experiences. The console boasts a wide library of games, including exclusive titles that are highly acclaimed. Number 4. Orzly Accessory Bundle Kit for Nintendo Switch. This bundle offers comprehensive protection for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It includes a durable case and screen protectors, perfect for travel and storage. Elevate your gameplay with accessories designed for comfort and performance. Enjoy enhanced control with ergonomic grips and racing wheels for an immersive gaming session. Never run out of power with the included charge station, ensuring your controllers are always ready for action. This keeps you in the game without interruption. Created by passionate tech fans, this kit is designed to help you get the most out of your console. We focus on quality and user experience in every detail. Highly rated by leading publications, this is the premier choice for your Nintendo Switch. We stand by our quality with a 1-year replacement warranty. Experience a great unboxing with our thoughtful packaging, making this the ideal gift for any Nintendo Switch enthusiast. It's designed to impress from the moment it's opened. What we like. This bundle offers comprehensive protection and enhances your gaming sessions with accessories like grips and wheels. It's perfect for those who want to safeguard their console and elevate their play, especially for games like Mario Kart. If you're a dedicated gamer who values both protection and improved control, this accessory pack is a must-have. What people say. The carrying case will fit your Switch and games and accessories, including the game cartridge carrying case plus the stand and headphones. The earphones have a surprising sound quality, but if you don't like hollow-sounding earphones, you can always provide your preference, yet I find that if you can ignore not, they provide good sound at very good volume. The carrying case has 8 game card slots. You may be different, so having a total of 36 slots will be good for you. Number 3. Nintendo Switch Neon Blue-Red Joy-Con. Introducing the Nintendo Switch, a versatile console that adapts to your lifestyle. Enjoy gaming on your big screen, on the go, or with friends. Experience 3 distinct play modes: TV mode for immersive home entertainment, tabletop mode for shared fun, and handheld mode for gaming on the move. Its brilliant 6.2-inch multi-touch display brings your games to life with stunning clarity. Interact directly with the action like never before. With 4.5 to over 9 hours of battery life, you can enjoy extended gaming sessions wherever you are. The duration will vary based on your gameplay. Go online with Wi-Fi for multiplayer adventures or connect up to 8 consoles locally for thrilling wireless battles with friends. What we like. Enjoy gaming on your TV, in tabletop, or on the go with this versatile console. It boasts an impressive battery life for extended play sessions. If you need a console that adapts to your lifestyle and offers robust multiplayer options, this is an excellent choice for both solo and social gaming. What people say. The Nintendo Switch is a versatile console that can be played both at home on a TV and on the go as a handheld device. The Joy-Con controllers offer a unique gaming experience with motion controls and the ability to detach for multiplayer gaming. The OLED model features a vibrant 7-inch OLED screen that enhances the visual experience, especially in handheld mode. Number 2. Nintendo eShop $20 digital gift card. Looking for the ideal present for the gamer in your life? Or perhaps a treat for yourself? This digital gift card is the answer. With over 1,000 games to choose from, including new releases, classics, and indie gems, there's something for everyone. Get your favorite titles delivered straight to your Nintendo Switch, Wii U, or 3DS family system. It's convenient and easy. This digital code can be redeemed exclusively on the Nintendo eShop. Please note it cannot be used on the Wii Shop. Your balance can be shared across multiple Nintendo systems, but it's tied to a single eShop account for seamless use. What we like. Unlock a world of over 1,000 games, from new releases to indie gems, delivered instantly to your console. This digital gift card offers the ultimate flexibility in choosing your next adventure. If you love having a wide variety of games at your fingertips and enjoy the convenience of digital purchases, this is the perfect way to expand your library. What people say. The code arrived in the email quickly and worked without no problems at the Nintendo store. Worked great. I bought this because my debit card wasn't accepted. Super easy and efficient. I think it took 30 minutes to receive the code. Bought as a gift and was easily able to forward the emailed information to the recipient. Codes works perfectly with no issue. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite, Blue. Introducing the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's a compact and lightweight handheld system, perfect for gaming on the go. This console comes in a variety of fun colors to match your style. Choose the one that best suits you. Enjoy seamless online and local wireless multiplayer experiences. You can easily connect with friends for gaming sessions. Dive into the worlds of your favorite characters. It's the ultimate platform for adventures with Mario and his friends. The Nintendo Switch Lite is designed for handheld play. Take your gaming adventures anywhere you go. What we like. This is a compact and lightweight system designed purely for handheld gaming. It's perfect for gamers on the move who want a dedicated, portable experience. If you're looking for an affordable entry into the Nintendo ecosystem and primarily play in handheld mode, this is an ideal option. What people say. The handheld Nintendo Switch is an excellent device. It is convenient for travel, reasonably priced, and well suited for on-the-go entertainment. Works great. No problems at all. The picture on the case makes it look kinda purple, but it is blue. This is a great value for your money if you're looking for an easy handheld with a bunch of games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.